Hello and welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In today's video, we're going to review some additions made to the Messages window context menu. The goal of these additions is to add more functionality for the user via the Messages window. Moving to Pointwise, you'll notice on screen I have 4 blocks. I'm going to select all the domains that make up those blocks, and I'm going to go to Examine. You can choose any of the criteria. For this case, I'm going to choose the maximum included angle. And in the main menu here you'll see the extrema. And we can print the information to the Messages window. I'm going to use this button here to print the messages to the window. And the first added functionality is the ability to zoom to an entity. So if I right-click Domain 1, I can zoom to that entity. Get back to the user view here. I can do the same here, zoom to that entity. It's true for any entity you see printed to the Messages window. Now, the XYZ coordinates that are printed to the window, we can set our rotation points for those particular XYZ values. So if I right-click on an XYZ set, I can set the rotation point from that click there. And you can see that the rotation point has now been set to that particular XYZ value. This is also true for blocks and when I enable cutting. So I'm going to select all the blocks. I'm going to go to Examine. Again, any metric will do. Maximum included angle. If I go to Cuts and I enable cutting, we're going to change the cut to the Z-plane here. I can select any one of these cell data or cells here and select or use the right mouse button to show cell data, which will be printed to the Messages window. I can then zoom to the block that contains that particular cell. If I click on block 4 here and zoom to entity, zoom back out here, and then I can again use the functionality for any of the vertices or the centroid for that matter. I can set my rotation point to those values or those coordinates. And this tool is helpful for when you're kind of diagnosing any cell quality issues with your domain or with a block as well. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop us a line below or connect with us via Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.